Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Nancy
I'm Joe.
and today we're going to be making jicama fries.
Shout out to Highfalutin Low Carb for giving us the idea to make this recipe. We watch a lot of his YouTube videos. He posts a lot of awesome content.
Yeah. So it was because of him why we decided to go with jicama, because that was his number one.
Yeah, so he tried out a bunch of different types of fries that, were using vegetables. I think he tried zucchini, he tried rutabaga,
And jicama, I think it was
jicama, and he also tried
turnips, I think.
turnips. But the turnips are too high carb. We found out, we found that out too late. We had already bought
them
some.
and then we're like, oh darn.
So dumb. We're like, okay, great. So now we have some turnips that we just can't even use because they're too high carb, and I think they're starchy too.
So stay tuned for some delicious low carb French fries. You're not going to want to miss this.
And now we're gonna see the final product. Oh, look at that. Dang.
This is our final product. We have the cauliflower mac and cheese I made yesterday, our jicama fries, and then we made 2 burger patties with a fried egg, mushrooms, bacon, some guac, and there's some lettuce under there somewhere.
And they're also grass-fed patties.
Delicious.
That's Nancy's. And this one's mine.
Hey guys, we're back with our finished cooked jicama fries. And we're ready to do a taste test.
Yep. I mean, they took us, like, what? It was like an hour to do?
Yeah, because we had to do multiple batches.
Yeah. Because, I mean, they wouldn't all fit on one tray.
So do multiple trays and have them ready to go. A good amount though, I would say. And I also made like a dipping sauce with mayo and sugar-free ketchup. And I put a little bit of seasoned salt in there for our fries.
Alright, let's try it out. Cheers.
They're really good. They have a little bit of crisp to them, but they cooked really well. They got like kind of crispy. I don't know if you can see that.
They're like crunchy. The first batch we did, we kind of overcooked it, because we were trying to get them to be really soft, like French fries, but that doesn't happen. Like you can't do that with jicama. Like it's going to be a little crunchy, and if you don't like that, they're probably going to end up burnt. Like
But hey, they're pretty good burnt too, so.
Yeah.
We've tried
That's
them.
true.
Also, we just have our plate here. This is our dinner or meal for today, but that's the cauliflower I made yesterday. Cauliflower mac and cheese. We have our fries, and then we made burgers with a little bit of mushrooms, some holy guacamole, bacon, shredded iceberg lettuce, and cheese.
And then
So we're all set for a very indulgent meal.
get the guacamole kind because the other kind tastes like crap.
Yeah,
It's
the
like
avocado
lemony.
is like really weird. I bought it before. I tried doctoring it up with like a little bit of sour cream, lemon juice, and all that. It didn't work. Just stick with the guacamole one.
Yeah, the guacamole
It's
one
really
tastes
good.
great.
You don't have to do anything to it. But yeah, so we hope you enjoyed our Cook With Us. Mancerito does keto. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.